I am Paul, Cloud Specialist, ZDev Technologies. I am Certified Instructor in AWS Solution Architecture Associate, AWS Developer Associate, and AWS Professional. We are going to see AWS real-time project explanation in English and Tamil. Please do subscribe our channel. Hi everyone, it's me, Paul from ZDev Technologies. Today I'm going to show you how to find running EC2 instance in various regions inside a particular AWS account. You know, many AWS users are struggling to get these details because they may be unaware of what are this instance running in various regions, and it will increase the cost dynamically. So I'm going to show you a simple steps how to find it. Okay, so I'm going to be there you can see you may run lots of instances in any one of these regions. For example, I'm going for Mumbai region. In this region you can see I have two AWS servers is running here, similar to if I go to my Northern Virginia region. If I go to Frankfurt region, okay, so let I check. I think some instance running here. Okay, no instance running here, and also in Frankfurt region, no instance. Okay, so let me launch some bunch of instance in this particular region. Okay, so let me have a 3 instance. And I can have any security groups, any key pair. Okay, next I go to Frankfurt region and do the same thing. So in many production environment, it's so important for them. They have to find regularly what is really going on their account. So they use this method, and in many AWS projects, DevOps projects, they use this method to pull up those details. Okay, so I'm going to show you that one excitedly. Let me launch it here. Okay, so 3 instances running here. So now I'm going to be inside Oregon region. Let me have a server, a AWS CLI bash server, and which is going to find this all resources. So I'm going to keep it in default VPC, and let I give some good tags. So AWS CLI server. Okay, I'm going to give bash. Okay. So attach with proper security groups, which we have SSH port number 22. So now I'm going to have a proper key pair. So to have a key pair, this time I'm going to give BashShell. Oh, I'm sorry, the name is wrong. So again, BashShell, and download the key pair. Launch instance. So you can see I have launched a CLI server. Okay, I'm going to access this server via my mobile system, or you can use PuTTY, or you can use VMware. Maybe you have Red Hat CentOS running. Okay, so in my example, it doesn't have VMware or PuTTY running inside this machine, so I'm going to use my mobile system to take this one as a SSH. Okay, so let me go there. Okay, so click on run. This will run my mobile system. Okay, so just put the public IP. and default username ec2-user. Really sorry, what name I have given, just forget. Let me check the name. The key file name. What is the name here? Yes, BashShell. Oh, there you can see I got it there. BashShell, and okay. So let me get into my root account, root access. And in order to successfully pull those resources, I need to install Python and JSON package. And the latest version Python is Python version 3. So I'm going to install old version since it is valid up to next year January. So I'm install jq-y JSON package. Now I need to get into AWS command line interface. So for that I need to give AWS configure, and he will ask, obviously he will ask access ID key and secret access key. So since I'm using Amazon AMI Linux, which have already AWS CLI tools installed, if you are going to run on CentOS or maybe Red Hat, I'm really sorry, you need to install AWS CLI tools manually. So later you can check my video. I'm going to show you how to configure manually AWS CLI tools in Linux as well as Windows EC2 instance. So there you can see I'm going to have access ID key, secret access key. These keys are very, very sensitive. Use it without any, don't share this key with anyone. If anyone got this key, they may misuse your account, or they can get access to your AWS resources, console access. So you don't need any username password for that. And there you can see, because since AWS will refer every region by region name, you have to give the region name. I'm in the Oregon region, the code is US West 2, and make sure don't give US West 2A or 2B, that's related to availability zones, give 2. Now create a file, and there I'm in VI editor, so I'm going to create a file, and this is the script I have written to find all those instances. So I'm going to copy this one. I'm going to paste here, okay, and click OK. So gently I'm going to save this one. This is BashShell, powerful, extraordinary about this script. BashShell is powerful, and this is one of the most effective script. It's a combination of programming as well as systematic environments. So there you can see I'm saved. So I'm going to give him permissions to execute. So I give change mode, U+X, AWS. Okay, so you can also use .sh, so that may execute ./AWS. And now what he do, he just go to query, and there you say X expected. You can see he find all the instance which is running on my particular AWS accounts inside the regions. You can see here how beautifully he's just pulling up all the informations. You can see here. So there you can see. So this whole instance running on that particular regions with the respective instance ID, and it have there can see instance types and AMI ID, and none means the instance may be stopped or may be terminated. If not, none means the instance show public. This means that those instances are still running there. So let me find it. You can see in Mumbai region I have a few instance which is stopped, and I'm in Kerala Central region. Let's see. Okay, so here, okay, see Kerala Center. Yeah, you can see here none of these instances are running. So I hope the instance is terminated. You can see instance terminated. That's nice, because okay, let's see next one. Okay, this time I'm going to see, okay, here we can Singapore region. In Singapore region, I hope 2 instances are running there. I think 3 instances are running there. So let I check that one. There you can see 3 instances are running as expected. So you can see here this one is. So, and this is how you find your the number of instances running in the specific region inside your AWS EC2 instance itself. So that is, you can see. Next one, I hope I have few instances running on. Okay, maybe I will go and check for Yeah, EU West, that's this Mumbai region. There you can see we have, and the region we have yeah, US East 1B, 2 instances are running. Okay, and US East 3C, you can see EU West 3C, we got 4 instances running. So US 3C, I hope it's not an island region, but let us check this one. I hope that is also okay. So I think this one is okay, no instance as expected. You can see if you go for Eastern Europe London region, I hope there is no instance there also. Okay, so EU West 3C is most probably it's our Paris region. Okay, so click on this. I hope it will. Yeah, you can see here it will show that you can see here 4 instances are running here. Okay, so let me put this in stopped state. So there you can see, and let me execute again. So once executed, I have put in stopped state. Okay, so now you can see all in Paris region, all instances are still not completed the status, not came to stopped state status, still they are in running state. That's why he's used to show all the machine's public IP there. So let's see whether it's stopped or not. There you can see one instance is not stopped still. Okay, so again you go back there. Okay, so let I execute again. As you can see expected, you can see it's none. So this means it's stopped or terminated. So this is how you find your running instance inside your AWS account in various regions, and this is so important for production environment for cost effectiveness. Okay, see every instance has been getting stopped. Okay, let me run execute again, and it should say none for the, I can see, I think he will give none for that instance too. There you can see nothing is running there in Canada Central, in Paris region. There is no, so that is how we pull up the information, and again you're going to start the instance, you'll get again notification about that. So this is how we write a BashShell script, powerful one, and you can find that how many instances running inside your region, and this is very important for our production environment. They will frequently run this resource and check it. So it's very easy to execute, very easy to configure and implement. I hope you understood all the steps what I explained. I hope you have also noted down how it works. So thank you so much. I will be see you back on next video.